Hi guys, I'm from Math Academia and today we will be reviewing a question on mensuration. The question states that the regular concrete floor the question states that the diagram shows a regular concrete floor PQRS. TXYZ is a kite and triangle XRF is identical to triangle QEX. Okay, and the question also states that QX equals to XR. So therefore, we can conclude that QX is 5 meters and XR is 5 meters. Okay, and the question says that AC is half of TY. With the extra knowledge that QX is the same length as XR, we can safely conclude that TA is the same length as AO, which is the same length as OC, which is the same length as CY. So therefore, 2.5 meters each. Okay, and the question gave us that BD is half of XZ. So therefore, BD would be half of 70 meters, which is 8.5 meters. Okay, and lastly, XE equals to XF, which is 2 meters. Okay. The shaded region is painted red. If it costs 28 meters to paint 1.25 meters squares of floor area, how much does it cost to paint the shaded region? So essentially, the question is asking us to find the area of the shaded region. Let's start with the easiest shape to find, which is the triangle QEX. We know that an area of the triangle is half times base times height. So triangle QEX, area of triangle QEX equals to half times 2 times 4.5, which equals to 4.5 meters squared. And since triangle QEX is identical to triangle XRF, both of them would have an area of 4.5 meters squared. Next, let's try and find the shaded region TZDA BET. Alright. So if we study this shape over here, we know that this shaded region over here is made up of 2 triangles. It would be triangle, the bigger triangle TZX minus the smaller triangle ADB. All right. So triangle TZX, area of triangle TZX equals to half times 5 times 17, which gives me 42.5 meters squared. Sorry, 42.5. The area of the smaller triangle ADB equals to half times 2.5 times 8.5, which gives me 10.625 meters squared. So therefore, we know that the area of this shaded region here would be 42.5 minus 10.625, which gives me 31.875 meters squared. Okay, and because the area of the shaded region over here is identical to this part over here, we can conclude that the total area of the shaded region would be 2 times 31.875 plus 2 times 4.5, which gives us 72.75 meters squared. Okay, since it costs $28 to paint 1.25 meters squared, let's figure out how many 1.25 meters squared is in 72.75 meters squared. We take 72.75 divided by 1.25, we will get 58.2 units. Since 1 unit costs $28, 58.2 units would cost $1,629.6. Okay, and I have arrived at my final answer. So I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.